welcome to another video of my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use recipe cards. Repeat after me. Organization. And with this, we will need recipe cards. And here is an example of one that I did. And then some of these cards with the labels on it, so you can have it in each recipe in each section. There's sweets and salads, stuff like that. And you can really use any labels that you want. And then you might want to also use some of these if you'd like. And some of these little protector things that protects these recipe cards after you fill them out. And now I'm going to show you how to fill them out. And then with writing the recipe, you would obviously need a recipe of your choice. You can really use any recipe that you would like. And then we are going to take a writing utensil. And you can use either pen, pencil, or whatever you want to use. And then we are going to put the title right where it says title, like right on the line right here. So in this recipe I'm using is a cabbage salad, so I'm going to put cabbage salad right here. And then with the servings, you will put right here. The prep time, you'll put right here, and the cook time, you will put right here. And then the ingredients, like you put the measurements on this side of the card. And then you will put the directions on this side of the card. Alright, then, so 4 cups shredded green cabbage. And then 4 cups of shredded red cabbage. And then 1 medium bell pepper diced. Then 2 cups of sliced carrots. And then 3/4 of a cup of nuts of your choice. And then with this, like the very last ingredient, I have it listed as optional. And then I am going to write the directions on this side right here. So shred both types of cabbage and dice the bell pepper and slice the carrots. If using nuts, make sure to mix those in with the veggies. And mix together all of the ingredients. Then if you are starting to run out of room on the first page, and you can always flip over and go to this side. Ingredients in a using a serving spoon. Okay, there. Now that part is all done. And then with this, if you want, you can also put on here from the kitchen oven and write whoever's name right there. Okay, and then the next step that we are going to do is we are going to take one of these things. And they're basically sheet protectors, except for recipe cards. And then we are going to need to make sure that we have this open like this. Then stick the ends, this end towards in like that. And then stick these into here. Okay. And then screw it in all the way like that. And then there. Now the recipe card is protected so you can wipe off any ingredients that mistakenly get onto it. We will need a box or a container of some sort to have these note cards in, or recipe cards. And then, since this recipe is a salad recipe, we are going to need the salads tab. Then take this and stick that in between here, just like that. And then now you can store your recipe cards in a safe place. And you will also know how to use recipe cards too. It might come in handy with this is the conversion sheets right here too, because you might not always remember which is equal to what. It's organization.